Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can remove the BG or change the BG in VN app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the VN. So I'm going to click on the VN. Let's click on this. After clicking on this, as you can see, now simply we have to click on the plus icon, and after clicking on the plus icon we have to click on the new project. And after clicking on this, as you can see, now we have to choose the video, that which video we want to use. For example, I'm going to choose the video. So let's choose the video, and for example I'm going to choose this one. So after clicking on this, we have to click on the next, and the video will be redirected to the editing mode. So as you can see, now the video is here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on this. As you can see, the video is here. Now simply we have to scroll, and after scrolling you are going to get the option of the BG. So as you can see, we have to click on the BG, and now you have to choose the color, that which type of color you want. As you can see, for example, I want this type of color, and if you want the gradient you can also do that, and this is the solid. If you want you can use them as well. Apply to all, if you click on the apply to all, this will be applied to all settings. So as you can see, the clip is here. Now as you can see, the background color is red. If you want to change this again, you can also do that. Let's click on the white and pink, and these all are provided here. So if you want to click on the apply to all, this will be applied to all clips. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can change the BG, the background of your video in VN app. So see you guys in the next video.